From the state capitol in Richmond, I'm Craig Carper. A bill that would have created an independent oversight agency for the state's Medicaid program, DMAS, has been unanimously killed on a bipartisan vote in a House Appropriations Subcommittee. Last year, DMAS overspent by $450 million, and lawmakers on both sides of the aisle have expressed frustration with the problem. The bill's patron, Senator Ryan McDougal, says moving oversight out of the executive branch is a smart move.
We could have made numerous decisions with where to spend that money, including an additional 10% raise for teachers. We need to make sure that those forecasts in the future, regardless of who's governor, are accurate and reliable.
Last year's overspending took place before Virginia expanded its Medicaid rolls this January. McDougal says this could be a greater problem as the Medicaid population grows. Republican Delegate Chris Stolle, who sits on the subcommittee, says he likes the concept, but is waiting on the results of a review by the state's legislative watchdog group, JLARC, and another from an external auditor hired by DMAS. For Assembly 19, I'm Craig Carper.
Broadcast of Assembly 19 is brought to you by the Virginia Education Association. An investment in Virginia teachers today will bring dividends tomorrow.